What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan, coming with another video. And today is June the 19th, 2019. And like I said, my mission in life is to serve 1 billion people through meditation and yogi sciences. Hopefully everybody's doing great. It's a rainy day here in Florida. It's been raining like crazy, like every day. I think it's been raining like every day for the last 2 weeks. Maybe a little bit exaggerating, but pretty close every day for like 2 weeks straight. But it's cool, you know. Rain it helps clear out the negativity around the area and stuff like that. Clean up, you know, water everything. Good for the grass, good for the trees. But that's that. What I want to talk about today is going to be another minimalist video and how I'm doing on my minimalist journey. This past week we got rid of so many things. It's just a lot of things going on as far as putting stuff on eBay to sell. My sneaker collection, you know, is just dwindling down. Clothes is gone. I'm still getting the books ready and set. I just gotta buy the machines. I'm hesitant to buy the machines, so I was looking for people to see if they had any. But I guess I'll go invest in some printing labels and, you know, and stuff like that, and then just make it a business, and it is what it is. I still got a whole stack of books left to sell and to get rid of, and life is life. But other than that, minimalism is just, man, it's just not really no stress. Now the next thing is just to put money away, keep stacking money away. I was watching this video, Grant Cardone video. If you don't know who Grant Cardone is, go watch his video. The video that I'm talking about, I'm gonna put it in the description. It's about 30 minutes long, 32 minutes long. But he talks about how much money you really need to retire, how much money you really need in your bank account. And I think it's a very interesting video. It's a scary video if you're living paycheck to paycheck. It's a scary video if you're a high consumer. It's a scary video if you don't know what you're doing with your life, because time is coming. Time doesn't stop. Money stops. Love stops. Time doesn't stop. Time doesn't care. I compare time to a bear in the river, searching for salmon, and the bear is bigger than the salmon, and they just there grabbing the salmon, picking them up, and just throwing them, boom, boom. And the bears are not stopping. The salmon just coming, boom, 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 taking them out, and just eating the salmon. And that's why I put life as. It's not gonna stop. It's not gonna stop for you. If you hate black people, it's not gonna stop. If you hate white people, it's not gonna stop. If you hate Chinese, if you kill people, if you're a murderer, it's not gonna stop. People be making things up and making things up in their brain, and that's why shit be happening and shit like that. But I digress. I don't want to go that far, but watch that video, Grant Cardone, top 5 things you need to know to be. It's not even because he's a big salesperson. He's not selling you anything. He's just giving you how much you really need in your bank account. He was saying, I think the CNBC was saying that you need 5 million in retirement, but he's actually talking about doubling that. You need 10 million to retire. And the whole strategy that he gives and how he sets everything up and what you need and stuff like that is very important, especially in this minimalist lifestyle, because I think is the less that you consuming things, the more we can put away. And when I talk about savings, he talks about that in the video too, Grant Cardone. We're not saving, we're storing away the money so we can later take that money and invest it somewhere else. You never want money to sit for a long time. Money will go somewhere else because money is currency, money is energy, and it needs to move around and stuff like that. So once you get the money and put the money away somewhere and save it, we're not saving it, I'm sorry, and store it. And then once you store it, find a proper investment where you can beat inflation and beat certain things. You know, things are gonna cost, but since me being a minimalist, I stopped being a consumer. I'm not really worried about the prices going up. Minimal things I really need. So just learning about money is important. You're gonna die. You're gonna need something from retirement. You don't want to work your whole life. You don't want to be that person who goes home, who wakes up, go to work, drive to work, come back home, sleep, and you just repeat that cycle, and then you teach that cycle to your kids. That's not what I want in life. So it's very important that I just keep learning and learning about money, and minimalism has been helping me just delve deeper into that lifestyle of not spending. Yeah, that's my video for today. It's going to be very important. I got a lot of links to different books in the description. You don't have to buy it. What else? I got links if you want to donate. I got in the description. I got links to my Instagram in the description. Like, share. But the most important thing is try to buy less. Stop being a consumer. Don't watch the commercials because they're going to sell you something. So thank you for watching my videos. And I'm just, I took like a couple of days off, and then I'm back making videos every day. Peace.